What is continental drift? Continental drift is the hypothesis that the Earth's continents have moved over geologic time relative to each other, thus appearing to have drifted across the ocean bed. In 1912, Alfred Wegener, a German meteorologist, proposed that theory that about 250 million years ago, the continents were once one large landmass. He called this landmass Pangaea, a Greek word which means all earth. This shows how Pangaea evolved into how continent looks today. This Pangaea started to break into two smaller supercontinents called Eurasia and Gondwanaland during the Jurassic period. These smaller supercontinents broke into the continents, and these continents separated and drifted apart since then. Continental drift theory evidences shape of the continents, evidence from fossils, evidence from landforms, location of coal deposits, evidence of climate. Shape of the continents. Wegener also provided evidence of continental drift by looking at the physical shape of continental coastlines. The shape of continental coastlines visibly match up like pieces of the puzzle. Fossils. The fossil record is one sort of evidence that has been used to support the theory of continental drift. On the coastlines of many continents, fossils of similar kinds of plants and animals have been discovered in rocks that are comparable in age, indicating that the continents were once connected. Land formation or mountain ranges. Same rock, different ranges. Existing mountain ranges separated by the ocean that contains rocks of identical mineral content. Coal deposits. Coal deposits are found in sedimentary rock basins. It is formed in tropical regions, mainly found in Appalachian coal region, interior coal region, and western coal region. Evidence of climate. Glacial striations or scratches and erratics or rocks moved away by glacial ice from original bedrock correspond between continents. Some distinctive fossils found on the southern continents indicate that they came from one ancient single continent. Wegener continued to work to prove his theory. Unfortunately, there was one thing that Wegener could never wrap his mind around, and that was what force could be driving the motion of the continents. And without this explanation, his theory of continental drift remains largely rejected in the scientific community. In November of 1930, while on the research expedition in the ice sheet of Greenland, Wegener froze to death. The story of Alfred Wegener is a tragic one. It's the story of a great scientific mind who was ahead of his time, but died before he reached his true potential. Modern geologists owe to him their understanding of how the Earth actually works.